Hello, my name is Ana María Yate, of the course Valoración y Negociación de Tecnología. I belong to group 122. This is my cause-effect diagram. The problem for effectiveness and providing protection. Organization. There is no data protection policy, purpose of patents, physical or electronic exchange, contract, the people, business informality, human error, data transfers, procedures, country legislation, lack of prevent security, police, technology, resource, cybercrime, with data protection system, information, few audits, policy, interpretation, author properties. It's recommended. The company must establish rules or policies of use of social networks and establish the person in charge of its management and the information that can be present through their social network. It is recommended now the types of license where the author grant to another person the use of your copyright, avoiding the risk of using contents of third parties or lost personal information. Thank you a lot.